Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing well. This is me, Ayesha Rizwan, and you are watching Learn is Fun. Today video is really very important because I'm gonna tell you about modal verbs. This is a requested video, so watch till then because after this video you will learn a lot, even if you want to learn English or you are just a student. So let's start it. But still, if you didn't subscribe my channel, do it now because we want to grow together. And for those who already subscribed, I thank all of you, my viewers and my subscribers. So let's start. So, firstly, let me tell you about modal verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs and that express various functions such as possibility, necessity, ability, permission, or obligation. So, for the possibility, necessity, ability, permission, and obligation, I'm repeating, you have to use modal verbs. Here is a simple overview of some common modal verbs that what they mean. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we will start with can and could. That is very common. Can and could. Can we use to express ability or possibility, and could also we use to express ability, but can we use to express ability in the present. Okay, she can swim very fast. It means he have the ability to swim, but in the present. Okay, now could, it means to express the ability but in the past. Okay, so for example, he could play the piano when he was young. It means he have the ability but in the past. Okay, so can or could, what we use for ability, we use these two words, but only the time is different. Let's go towards the next one. Also, I make a separate video on can and could difference. You can go and check. I will upload the link in the description for you. Let's see the next. Now we have may and might. May and might also used for the possibility or permission. It means something we have to take permission or taking the possibility, we use may. And might means to express a lower degree of possibility. Let's see example, learn it more clearly. May, to express possibility or permission. How? For example, we may go to the park tomorrow. It means you are talking about the possibility that maybe tomorrow we will go to the park. And permission in the sense, may I use your phone? So for the possibility and permission, we use these may. Now, might, to express a lower degree of possibility. It means it might be sunny later. It means there is less chances of possibility. If the chances are less in the possibility, you can use this word might. Okay, so this is the difference between may and might. Next, we have must and should. Now, must we use with a strong recommendation or necessity. It means something you really need and a strong recommendation. For example, you must wear a seat belt in the car. It means it is very important, it's necessity. And recommendation in the sense you must try this cake. It means you are recommended. So in the sense of recommendation or necessity, you use must. Should, to give advice or express a suggestion. When you are talking or giving a suggestion, you use the word should. How? Let's see the example. For example, you should see a doctor. It means you are giving advice. So, we should leave now. It is a suggestion. So, for suggestion or advice, what you do? You use should actually. Now, let's see would. Would we use to express polite request, offer, or hypothetical situations. Let's see. Would you like some coffee? It means you are offering. I would go if I were you. It means you are saying that if you are him, you are him, or you are in place of him, you will do this. That is called hypothetical situations. Now, modal verbs are used with the base form of the main verbs. Can, swim, go, go. It means whenever you use modal verb, you usually use the first form of word. They do not change form for different subjects. I can, he can. You cannot change the modal verbs form. So what I'm saying you that modal verbs must be in the first form. You cannot change the form of the modal verb. So that's it all about the modal verbs. So what you got from that modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, should, and let's see the last one, should and would. So these are the modal verbs that is used to show the possibility, to show the necessity, to show take the permissions or for the obligation. So that's it for now. If you like the video, what you have to do, you have to subscribe and you have to like and also tell me in the comment section how and what you want me to post next. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do the same what I told you before. Till then, wait for the next video. And okay, so now take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.